Hi everyone, welcome to English with Polly. Today, I'll share 10 powerful habits that can transform the way you learn English. Stick around until the end and start applying them today to see real results. Habit 1. Train your language through songs and rhythms. Music is a fantastic way to absorb a language naturally. Songs are repetitive, which helps new words and phrases stick in your memory. Start by picking a song you love, look up the lyrics, and sing along. Pay attention to pronunciation and meaning as you sing. Why it helps. Music combines rhythm and emotion, which boosts memory. How to apply. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to listening and singing your favorite songs in English. Habit 2. Chat with an AI conversation partner. Practicing with a chatbot like ChatGPT is an easy way to improve your writing and speaking skills. AI tools are available 24/7, so you can practice anytime without fear of being judged. For instance, ask questions, describe your day, or discuss a topic. Example: What's your favorite movie? Mine is Inception. The AI will respond, and you can continue the conversation. Why it helps: builds fluency, expands vocabulary, and boosts confidence. How to apply. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily chatting about topics that interest you. Habit 3. Create language learning quests. Turn learning into a game by setting small challenges. For example, find a recipe in your target language and try making it. As you follow the steps, you'll naturally learn new vocabulary and phrases. Another idea: visit a website or online store in the language and explore product descriptions. Why it helps: keeps learning fun and immersive. How to apply. Pick a small goal, like understanding a blog post or following a recipe, and work through it step by step. Habit 4. Practice active listening. When you watch a video or listen to a podcast, don't just passively absorb it. Pause after a sentence, repeat it out loud, and mimic the speaker's tone and pronunciation. For example, if you hear, "I'm going to the store," pause, repeat the sentence, and say it out loud like the speaker. Why it helps: improves comprehension, pronunciation, and speaking rhythm. How to apply. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to focused listening and repeating. Habit 5. Improvise. Speak without preparation. Pick a topic and speak about it for 1 minute without preparing. For example, describe your favorite food. I love pizza because it's delicious and easy to make. My favorite topping is pepperoni. This practice trains your brain to think in the language and builds confidence. Why it helps. Enhances fluency and trains your ability to think on your feet. How to apply. Start with simple topics like your daily routine or hobbies. Habit 6. Learn 10 common phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are essential in English. Start with 10, like wake up, look for, and turn off. Use them in sentences daily. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. and look for my keys before leaving. Repetition will help you master them. Why it helps. Phrasal verbs are used everywhere, so mastering them will make you sound more natural. How to apply. Write 2 to 3 sentences using each phrasal verb and practice saying them. Habit 7. Summarize videos or articles. After watching a short video or reading an article, explain what you learned in your own words. For example, if you watch a video about climate change, say, "The video explained how global warming is causing ice caps to melt." This reinforces understanding and vocabulary. Why it helps. Builds comprehension and improves your ability to organize thoughts in English. How to apply. Spend 5 minutes summarizing after each session of watching or reading. Habit 8. Write short notes or record voice memos. Writing or recording your thoughts helps reinforce grammar and vocabulary. For instance, write a sentence like, "Today, I went to the park. The weather was sunny and I had a great time." Or, record yourself saying it out loud to practice speaking. Why it helps. Organizes thoughts and improves both writing and speaking skills. How to apply. Set aside 5 minutes daily to jot down or record your ideas. Habit 9. Read texts slightly above your level. Push yourself with reading material that's just a bit harder than your current level. For example, if you're a beginner, try short news articles with simple vocabulary. Highlight new words and look them up. Why it helps: expands vocabulary and improves comprehension. How to apply: read for 10 minutes a day and note down 5 new words. Habit 10: watch movies without subtitles. Start with short segments, 10 minutes of a movie or series. Focus on the context and visual cues to understand what's happening. For example, in a scene where someone is cooking, listen for words like chop, stir, or serve. Why it helps: trains your brain to rely on context and builds listening skills. How to apply: gradually increase the time you watch without subtitles as your confidence grows. These 10 habits are simple, effective, and fun. Pick one or two to start with, and let me know in the comments which habit you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you learn faster and more effectively.